Hey guys, what's up? Chris here, and today we're gonna do an experiment. What happens when boiling water hits snow? Let's do this. Alright, so if you don't know where we got this, and I don't want to spoil this or anything, but we got this from well, if you remember in the noodle video where we were pouring the noodles in the strainer, all that excess water went into this bowl. So we're gonna see what happens. Surprisingly, it's still hot. Okay, you ready? We're just gonna pour it right here. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? You ready? Oh my gosh. You ready? 3, 2, 1. That was really anticlimactic.
For the rest of it.
I am.
Okay.
Wait. Let's see what happens when you bowl it. A hot bowl it.
Alright, take it out.
Oh. Well, as you can see in here.
Psych!
Oh. Get over here.
No.
Oh, you're gonna pay for that one, boy.